Hey there everybody, welcome to the channel. So in this video we'll see how to install the VMware Workstation Pro for absolutely free. Since the Broadcom has acquired the VMware, now they are giving the Workstation Pro for free to everybody out there. So let's see how to download it and install it. So let's get started. Go to Google and search for VMware Workstation Pro. Go to the official VMware website and here you can see Fusion and Workstation. Scroll down a bit and you can see you can download it for PC. This link will redirect you to the Broadcom website, and here if you do not have account you have to make account. I already have it, so I will just log into my account. After logging in, you will see this dashboard and inside you can see my downloads tab. Go there and you will get a free software download available. So click here and scroll down, and at the last you'll see VMware Workstation Pro. Go there and you can see there are 4 different available versions. You have to download VMware Workstation Pro 25H2 on Windows, for Windows, right? Click on 25H2. Now you may see you are on the download page, VMware Workstation Pro for Windows, but you cannot click on the download button and you cannot even click on the I agree checkbox. Alright, so what you have to do is you just have to click the terms and condition. Now this page will open, and now again you have to go back on this page, and now you can click on checkbox button, and now the download link will be available so you can download it. But you have to fill some information before downloading, right? So click yes, and here's a form you have to fill. Now fill all your details and click on submit button to submit the form. Now you can see account verification is successful for the user, and now you will be able to click on the download button. As you may see, once you click on the download button, now you can save the file to download the software. Save it, and here you can see the download has begun. Now before installing VMware, we have to make some changes. So go to the Task Manager and under the Performance, check the CPU and see if the virtualization is enabled. But if it is disabled, you have to go to your system BIOS settings to enable the virtualization technology. Now search for Windows features and go to turn Windows features on or off. Now you have to disable all these 5 different features in Windows 11 Professional. I'm using Windows 11 Home, so I don't have all these extra features. But once you are done with disabling all these 5 things, you have to just click OK, and then it will just turn the Windows features off. Now before restarting, we have to change few other things. Go to the Windows Security, search for the Windows Security, and inside the Security, the Device Security tab, and in the Core Isolation you have to turn off the memory integrity, and once you are done with it, make sure to restart your device. After the restart, you have to double click on the installer, and just like any other software, you just have to click on next, and just install the software. Once the installation is done, you can click on the finish button to exit the setup. Now you are ready to launch the VMware Workstation Pro. So search for VMware Workstation and open it. And here's your VMware Workstation Pro 25H2. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.